Hello and welcome to Suryavansh's Maths Academy students. Today we are going to start with trigonometric formulae. ये फॉर्मूले कैसे याद रखना है वो भी हम देखने वाले हैं. You know, this trigonometry is related to acute angles of right angle triangle. Consider the right angle triangle ABC. In this right angle triangle, angle ABC is the 90 degree. Suppose angle A is theta degree. You know, in right angle triangle, side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. If I take this as an acute angle, suppose this is theta. For this theta, this side is the opposite side, or you can say perpendicular side, and this side is base or adjacent side. If I take this C as an acute angle, and for this C, this side is opposite side, while this side is adjacent side, or you can say base. Consider the first ratio, sine ratio. Sine of theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse, or you can say perpendicular upon hypotenuse. How to find sine A? Sine A is equal to BC upon AC. How to find sine C? AB upon AC. Second ratio, cos ratio. Cos ratio is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. For finding cos A, you will take AB upon AC, while cos C is equal to BC upon AC. Third ratio, tan ratio. Tan ratio is equal to perpendicular upon base, or you can write opposite side upon adjacent side. This is tan ratio. How to find tan A? Tan A is equal to BC upon AB. How to find tan C? AB upon BC. Fourth ratio, fourth definition, cosec ratio is equal to hypotenuse upon opposite side. Cosec of A is equal to AC upon BC. You will come to know this cosec ratio is the reciprocal of sine ratio. You know, hypotenuse upon opposite side is called as cosec ratio. So cosec of A is equal to AC upon BC. For finding cosec ratio of C, you will take AC upon AB, hypotenuse upon opposite side. This is cosec ratio. Next ratio, sec ratio. Sec ratio is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Sec of A is equal to AC upon AB, or sec of angle C is equal to AC upon BC. Next ratio, cot ratio. Cot ratio is equal to adjacent side upon opposite, or you can take base upon perpendicular side. If you remember these three words, students, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, you will be able to remember all those formulae. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse, perpendicular upon base, hypotenuse upon perpendicular, hypotenuse upon base, base upon perpendicular. These are the very important ratios of acute angles. Now, reciprocal relations between sine and cos. These are the very important identities. See, you know, if you take sine A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, or BC upon AC, while cosec A is equal to AC upon BC. If I multiply left hand sides and right hand side, what will happen? AC get cut, BC get cancelled, you will get 1. So sine A into cosec A is equal to 1. If I take cosec A on right hand side, sine A would be equal to 1 upon cosec A, while cosec A is equal to 1 upon sine A. So this is the reciprocal relation between sine and cosec. Sine is equal to 1 upon cosec, cosec A is equal to 1 upon sine A. Similarly, we can prove cos A into sec A is equal to 1, tan A into cot A is equal to 1. Using that identity, we can find the formula. Cos A is equal to 1 upon sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A, tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A, cot A is equal to 1 upon tan A. Students, if you take sin A and cos A separately, and if you take division of sin and cos or ratio of sin and cos, you will get sin A upon cos A is equal to tan A, and cos A upon sin A would be equal to cot A. Now, main thing is that how to remember all those identities. See, as I told you, you will write 6 words or 6 very important ratios. Sin ratio, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. You know, sin is reciprocal of cosec and cosec is reciprocal of sin. Cos is reciprocal of sec. Sec is reciprocal of cos. Tan is reciprocal of cot. Cot is reciprocal of tan. So sin is equal to 1 upon cosec. Cosec is equal to 1 upon sin. Cos is equal to 1 upon sec. Sec is equal to 1 upon cos. Tan is equal to 1 upon cot. Cot is equal to 1 upon tan. And you know, sin upon cos is equal to tan, while cos upon sin is equal to cot theta. So this is the very important trick to remember all those formulae, students. Now next type of formulae are trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles. You know, in right angle triangle, if this is 90 degree, these two angles are complementary angles of each other. If this is 50, this would be 40. If this is 30, this would be 60. Therefore, these two angles are said to be complementary angles of each other. Now, consider the first ratio. Suppose, before taking ratio, so if this is theta, this is 90 minus theta. If I take sin theta, I will get perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC. And at the same time, if I take cos ratio of 90 minus theta, then I will get BC upon AC, same ratio. See, right hand sides are equal. So can I write sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta? So this is the relation between sin theta and cos 90 minus theta. So this is one of the very important formula. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Similarly, you can prove cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. And sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. Very simple, very easy to understand, students. Using this trick, you can remember these formulae: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. You know, sin theta and cos theta are the neighbors of each other. These are the neighbors of each other. These are also neighbors of each other. So neighbor बोलेंगे तो 90 minus. तो sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. Sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Very easy to understand, students. Now last 3 important identities, that is the square relation in trigonometric ratios. See, if you consider triangle ABC, which is right angle triangle, suppose length of AB is x, length of BC is y, and hypotenuse AC is z. You know, sin theta is equal to y upon z, cos theta is equal to x upon z, tan theta is equal to y upon x, cosec theta is equal to z upon y, sec theta is equal to z upon x, and cot theta is equal to x upon y. Consider the right angle triangle ABC. You know, in ABC, angle ABC 90 degree, we can use Pythagoras theorem. Now, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, Pythagoras theorem. AB is x, BC is y, and AC is z. X square plus y square is equal to z square. Dividing both the sides by z square, you will get x upon z the whole square plus y upon z the whole square is equal to 1. But what is x upon z, students? You know, x upon z, that is cos theta, but square is there, so you will take cos square theta. And y upon z is what? Y upon z means sin theta. Sine square theta is equal to 1. So we got one important identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second, instead of dividing z square, if we divide by x square, what will happen? See, x square upon x square, y square upon x square, z square upon x square. X square get cancelled, y upon x the whole square, z upon x the whole square. You will get, what is y upon x? Y upon x is tan, that is tan square theta, and z upon x is sec square theta. So you will get sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Again, instead of dividing by x square or by z square, if we divide by y square, you will get x square upon y square plus y square upon y square is equal to z square upon y square. Y square get cancelled. You will get x upon y the whole square plus 1 is equal to z upon y the whole square. What is x upon y? X upon y means cot square theta. So cot square theta plus 1 is equal to z upon y is what? Z upon y is cosec. So cosec square theta is equal to cot square plus 1. सो स्टूडेंट्स, मुझे विश्वास है कि आपको ये सारे फॉर्मूले ठीक से समझ में आए होंगे। आपको अगर मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। आगे भी बहुत सारे ट्रिक्स और टेक्निक्स मैं आगे डालने वाला हूँ। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।